What's up, guys? What's going on? All right, we got 2018 Gold Rush Mini Helmet 2-box break number 5. We got Shane with the Cardinals, Jeff with the Falcons, Browns, Lions, and Giants. Andrew with the Ravens and Bengals, Nick with the Bills, Clint with the Broncos, Christian with the Cowboys, Brent has the Bears, Steve with the Panthers, Ian with the Packers, Luciano with the Texans, Eagles, Patriots, and Redskins. Ben with the Jaguars, Dolphins, 49ers, Titans, and Bucks. Kevin with the Colts, Chiefs, Chargers, Saints, Jets, Raiders, and Steelers. Ted with the Rams, Jordan with the Vikings, and Sean with the Seahawks. I'm going to give just another minute or so for people to get in here so they don't miss, and then we'll open the boxes up. Tomorrow night on eBay, 3 more breaks. 1 baseball jersey, 5 boxes of XR, and another 6 boxes of Bowman High Tech. All right, guys, let's do this. Good luck. I appreciate you taking the spots. First helmet goes to the Steelers. Rocky Bleier. 4-time Super Bowl champs inscription for the Steelers. Kevin joins the group and wins his first try. Nice. Steelers take down the first one. Rocky Bleier. All right. Second box. Second box, Packers. Big Ian gets him a win. Dave Robinson, Hall of Fame 2013, number 89 inscription. Nice. Packers and Steelers, get it done tonight in the helmet break. Guys, I appreciate you as always. I'll be back live 10:15, maybe a couple minutes before for the XR break. I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you then.